This is our 2018 Toyota Tacoma. It's a TRD off-road package truck. Nice wheels, comes with the locking differentials as part of that package as well. As a tech package, you get navigation, forward collision alert. It also has adaptive cruise control, steering wheel radio controls, Bluetooth. Lots of legroom in the second row for a mid-sized truck. 60-40 split bench, all-weather floor liners. This has the factory Toyota tri-fold hard tonneau cover, rear vision camera, and it does have a tow package. This is fully serviced and sold with a warranty. Check it out at Kurt Johnson Auto Sales in downtown DuBois.